Oh my God, I just figured something out. And I'm so excited to share this with you because this is huge. You know that feeling when you understand English perfectly, but your mouth just freezes? Like you know the words, but they won't come out? Yeah, I know exactly why that happens. And I'm about to blow your mind. You ready? Because once you see this, you can't unsee it. And your English is never gonna be the same. Let's go. Okay, so here's what I discovered. Your brain is doing something insane right now. Right this second, as you're listening to me. You're translating English word, your language, back to English, word by word by word, and it's killing your fluency. But here's what's crazy. Native speakers don't do that. We don't think in words at all. We think in chunks. Wait, let me show you. When I say, how are you, do you hear three separate words? How are you? No, right? It's one thing, one sound, one chunk. And that's the secret. That's the difference between you understanding English and you speaking English. Chunks. I am so pumped about this because, look, you've been working so hard. Learning vocabulary, studying grammar, doing exercises, and it's not working the way you want. You know why? Because you're learning words when you should be learning chunks. Let me prove it to you right now. I'm going to say something and watch what happens in your brain. Thank you. What do you say back? You're welcome. Boom! You didn't even think about it and you didn't translate. Your brain just knew. That's a chunk, baby. And you already have hundreds of them in your head. You just didn't know what they were. So here's what we're doing today. I'm going to teach you how to steal chunks, how to train your brain to stop translating and start flowing. And I'm not just going to tell you. We're going to do it together, right now. Ready? First thing you need to understand. English is not made of words. I know your textbook lied to you, but listen. When Americans speak, we don't say word, 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 word. We say chunk, chunk, chunk. Pre-built phrases that we just grab and use, like building blocks. We don't create new blocks every time. We just grab them and stick them together. Check this out. I'm gonna grab something to eat. Most learners hear that and think, oh no, 6 words. I'm gonna grab something to eat. Brain overload. But it's not 6 words. It's one chunk. One phrase that means I am going to get food. You don't need to understand every word. You just need to recognize the chunk. And once you do, your brain stores it as one thing, not 6 things. 1. That's how you get fast. That's how native speakers speak without thinking. Chunks. Now here's what makes me so excited. There are only about 1,000 chunks you need to speak English fluently. Not 10,000 words, not 20,000 words, just 1,000 chunks. And you already know like 200 of them. You just haven't activated them yet. So let's activate them right now. Okay, stop everything. We're gonna do this together. I'm gonna say a chunk, and I want you to say it out loud. Yes, right now. Don't be shy, nobody's watching. Just you and me. Ready? Here's your first chunk. That makes sense. Say it with me. That makes sense. Good. Again, louder. That makes sense. Perfect. Did you feel that? Your mouth just spoke English without your brain translating. That's the magic. One more, let's go. I'm not sure. Your turn. I'm not sure. Yes, see how natural that felt? That's because it's a chunk. Your brain isn't processing 6 things. It's processing 1. Last one. This is gonna be good. Let me think about it. Come on, say it. Let me think about it. Do you realize what just happened? You just spoke 3 complete English phrases without translating, without thinking, just flowing. That is the power of chunks. And we're just getting started. All right, so here's the system. This is so simple but so powerful. Step 1. Stop breaking English into words. I know you've been doing it forever, but that's the old way. And the old way keeps you stuck. From now on, when you hear English, hear phrases, not individual words. Phrases? I don't know. Don't think I don't know. Think I don't know as one sound. One meaning, one chunk. Your brain is gonna fight you at first. It's gonna want to translate. That's normal, just notice it and let it go. Hear the chunk. Step 2. Collect chunks like you're collecting treasure. Every time you hear a phrase that sounds natural, grab it. Don't analyze it. Don't translate it. Just steal it. Write it down exactly as you heard it. What do you mean? That's a good question. I see what you're saying. These are gold. Because Americans use them all the time. And here's the beautiful part. You don't need to understand the grammar. You don't need to know why it works. You just copy it. That's what babies do, right? They don't learn grammar first. They just steal chunks from their parents. I want juice. More, please. All done. And boom, they're fluent. You're doing the same thing, just faster. Step 3, and this is the game changer. Use the chunks immediately. Don't just collect them. Don't just write them down. Use them today out loud. Pick one chunk right now. Let's say that makes sense. Find 5 situations today to use it. Talk to yourself, talk to your dog. I don't care. Just use it. It's cold outside. That makes sense. It's winter. Traffic was bad. That makes sense. It's rush hour. I'm tired. That makes sense. You didn't sleep well. Repeat it until it's automatic. Until your mouth knows it without your brain. That's when the chunk becomes yours. Now let me tell you what's about to happen. And I'm getting excited just thinking about this. Week 1, you're gonna feel weird. Because you're not translating anymore and your brain is like, wait, what? That's good. That means it's working. You're breaking the old pattern. Week 2, something incredible happens. You're watching a show and you hear a chunk you collected. And your brain just understands. No translation, no delay, just flow. And you're like, oh my God, it's working. Week 3 is when the magic happens. You start speaking in chunks, without planning, without thinking. Someone asks you something, and the chunk just comes out. Natural, automatic, fluent. That's when you know. You're not learning English anymore, you're living it. And I am so excited for you to experience that. Now, here's what I need from you. And this is important. This is your space now. This comment section, it's yours. I want you to tell me one thing. What topic do you want me to teach next? Work English? Travel phrases? Dating conversation? Phone calls? Job interviews? Whatever you want to learn, I'm making a video about it. Because this channel, it's for you. Not for me, for you. So drop a comment right now. Tell me what you're struggling with. Tell me what you need, and I'm gonna make it happen. Because we're building something amazing here. We're building your English fluency together. And if you're serious about this, if you really want to stop translating and start thinking in chunks, hit that subscribe button. Because next video, I'm showing you the 50 chunks Americans use every single day. The ones that unlock real conversations. The ones textbooks never teach you. You showed up today. That means you're ready. Ready to stop translating. Ready to think in chunks. Ready to speak English the way it's actually spoken. I'm Mark. This is English Flow. And we just unlocked something incredible together. Now go practice your chunks, and I'll see you in the comments. Tell me what you want to learn next. This is your journey. Let's go!